Hello, welcome to our recorded class, and this is the nursery level online class for today's date. It is January 14, 2025. Let us start with counting our numbers from 1 to 30, and I'll be checking the numbers for you. You should be counting along with me. We have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Those are the numbers that we have for counting 1 to 30. Now that we are done counting from 1 to 30, let's go jump to our letter friend for this week. Our letter friend is the letter V. Remember, there are two kinds of V's. We have the capital V and the lowercase letter V. And they both have the same sound, the V sound. So that's the sound of V. The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. All the letters make a sound. The sound of V is V. V is for the van, vase and volcano, vacuum and vet. We also have the Valentine. They all make the sound. The V, V sound. Letter V. So those are the pictures and examples of the things that begin with the letter V. Remember, the van, you can ride it. A vase, you put the flowers in a vase. The volcano will erupt and lava will come out. We use the vacuum for cleaning. The vet is the doctor for the pet, sorry. And we have our Valentine. You can write a letter and mail it to your Valentine or give it personally. So those are things that begin with D. And let's go jump to the next part of our slide here. So we also have our alligator letters. And the ones that go in the alligator letters, we have the letter V. So as you can see, I've circled it here. Remember, when we write our letter V, it goes down under the dotted line. So if I show you our capital letter V, we start from the top. It's like an upside down volcano. Go down and up, capital V. Your lowercase letter V under the dotted line, go down and up. That's your lowercase letter V. Let me erase this one, and an example of our letter V here, we have our volcano. So this is capital V and this is our lowercase letter V. Again, the sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. All the letters make a sound. The sound of V is V. So we have our letter V. Let me erase the writings on the screen and let's go prepare for writing our words that begin with V or has the V sound. And I have here a reminder for you to get your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser. And let us spell for our words that have V. So we have the picture of the van. What are the letters in van? We have the V sound letter V, the A sound in the middle, and the N sound at the end for van. So what I'm doing here is our sound spell. V, A, N. Van. This is our van. V-A-N. So let's write it in the longer box here. V, A, and the letter N, van. So you can write it also there in your whiteboard. We have the word van. V-A-N, van. I want to ride a green van. Now, the next one, we have also a big container for your water. It's called a vat. So, what are the letters in vat? The first letter has the V sound, letter A. So, we have V in the middle. Ah, it's letter A. Ah. And then the T sound at the end, letter T. So, we have V, at, vat. That's how you spell for vat. V, A, and the letter T. This is the vat. Okay, next one. We also have a different word here and it is called vex. When you vex, you talk a lot and it's very loud and then somebody will have a hard time hearing you. It's quite loud. Vex. Sometimes when somebody vex, they are angry. They yell at you, vex, and it's not nice to hear. So let's do vex. V sound first. That's for letter V. So the first letter is V. V, in the middle. Sound. That's letter E. And at the end, we have the x sound, letter X. So our word is vex. Vex. So let's write for vex. V, E, and X, that is your vex. So let's go back to our words. We have the van, the vat, and the vex. V words. Okay, next. Let's erase this one and let's move on to the next part. We have our vine. The first one is vine. A crawling plant is a vine. So the first letter V, letter V, v. And then in the middle, I. Sometimes I has the long I sound like in ice and icicle. So that's I in the middle. Vine, vine. Now, can you check? We have our letter N. We have the N sound at the end, vine. But the letter E at the end is quiet, is silent. So we have the word vine. This is how you spell vine. V-I-N-E. So when we write it, V-I-N and E, that's the vine. A crawling plant is a vine. Like this one, it's quite long. Some plants that are like this, it's the pumpkin and the grapes. Now, what about for this next word? Our next word is called a vein. You see this one in the farms. It checks where the wind is coming from. So if it's in the west, in the south, in the north, or in the east, it goes around and around. That's called a vein. So what are the letters in vein? The first letter V sound, letter V. Vein, A. So remember there's middle A in vein. And sometimes A has the A sound like in acorn, in apron, in angel, letter A. And then remember, just like in vine, the N here has the N sound at the end, vein, but then the letter E is quiet, is silent, but you still write it down. So that's how you spell for vein. V-A-N-N-E. So let's write V-A-N and the letter E. That's the vein. Okay, the next one. We have our vet. V-E. The first letter V sound, letter V. The letter E in the middle, and the letter T. So we have et, vet. Our doctor here, the vet, is the doctor for the animals, like the animals you see in the farms, in the zoo. Your pet can go to the vet, and also even the wild animals. If a wild animal is hurt, some people volunteer to ask a vet to help that animal. So we have the word vet. Let's spell it out. V, E, and the letter T. Vet. So let's go back. We have the vine, the vein, and the vet. Now let's erase the writings here on our screen, and we'll be moving on to the next part of our screen work, and that is for our sound hound. So remember, we get to sort our words with the letter V sound in it. If the V sound is found in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. So if we put vegetables, where can we put vegetables? Vegetables. Vegetables. Where can we put vegetables? The V sound is in the beginning. Okay, next, how about the oven? Where's the V sound in oven? Oven. Oven. Oven is in the middle. We get to put it in the middle. How about this one? We have the cave. Cave, cave, cave. You have to hear me out. Cave, cave. The V sound is in the middle. So I'll put cave in the middle because we have the CA sound, K in the beginning, and it ends here V in the middle, cave. So how about the next one? We have the sleeve, sleeve, sleeve. Where's the V sound? Sleeve. In the end, there's V at the end of sleeve. Next one, let's go to vest. Vest. Where's the V sound? Vest. Vest is in the beginning. Okay, next one, we have the dove. Of. The of. It's at the end. Okay, next one, van. 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 Van is in the beginning. How about let's do the word envelope. 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 Where do we put envelope? In the middle. Okay, next, what about the shovel? Shove L. Shove L. There is V in the end of shovel. Okay, next, what about olives? Olives. Olive. Sorry, there's only one. Olive. It's at the end. What about our glove? Glove. 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 It's at the end. What about volcano? Volcano. Volcano. It's in the beginning. So let's check for our pictures. The ones that go in the beginning, we have vegetables, vest, fan, volcano. The ones with V in the middle, we have the oven, the shovel, cave, and envelope. The ones that have the V sound at the end, they're sleeve, dove, olive, and glove. So those are the pictures that we sorted for the sound hound. Now, if you are done with the work today, how about the screen work today? Let's jump to our work time. And please prepare the following things. You'll get to do the flip book, your picture scramble, and also your third quarter book because we'll do letter V for today's lesson. You'll go to page 42 and the cutouts should be in page 46. Now, before you start with your work, I want you to write your name at the top. And if you're done doing so, you got to cut the pictures from page 46 and paste it in the right place for your sound hound. Now, if I am too fast on the video here, you can pause it, play it again once you feel like you're ready to answer. Okay, here we have our sound hound work. And I have here beginning, middle, and end columns. I have the first picture, vest. Where can we put vest? Est. Vest has the beginning V sound. So let's put it in the beginning. Okay, next. How about for the cave? I will jump to cave. 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 Where can we put cave? In the middle. It has the V sound in the middle. Okay, next. What about this one? Let's jump to glove. 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 Glove is in the end. There's the V sound at the end of the glove. Okay, next, let's jump to volcano. 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 Where can we put volcano? In the beginning here. Okay, next, what about the shovel? Shovel. Shovel. Shovel is in the middle. Okay, what about we jump to sleeve? Sleeve. Sleeve. Sleeve is at the end. Okay, what about olive? Olive. Olive. The V sound is at the end. Okay, this one, let's go to vegetables. 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 Vegetables is in the beginning. Okay, next, let's jump to the dove. 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 It's at the end. Okay, how about the van? An. An. It's in the beginning. Oven. 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 It's in the middle. And the last one, let me sound out. Envelope. Envelope. There's the V sound in the middle for envelope. Okay, let's check. We have our pictures. The ones that go in the beginning, it's the vest, volcano, vegetable, and van. The ones in the middle, there's cave, shovel, oven, envelope. The ones at the end, glove, sleeve, olive, and dove. So those are the things that has the V sound in them. In the beginning, in the middle, and in the end for your sound hound. Now let's erase the writings here and let's jump to another part of our work. By the way, if I am too fast, pause the video, play it again once you are done, okay? Let's read for our words here. And each time that we finish, we get to color the pictures and also um, check if we found all of the pictures already for coloring to match them. So let's read together. V is for van. That's our van. Another one. V is for vat. That's the big container, a vat. V is for vet. Remember, the vet is our doctor for the pets. V is for vex. When you vex, you are too loud. You're shouting already at somebody. And sometimes when somebody's vexing, they are angry. That's vex. Another one. V is for vent. You can feel the air come out of the vent from the aircon. Another one. V is for vest. You can wear a vest. Now let's color. Let's color for the pictures that we have. The first one, it is van. Another one, vat. Next, this is the vet. And then we have our vex. Next, this is the vent. And the last one, the vest. And let's color. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have the 5 vans and we matched also the pictures, coloring them with the sentence that we read beforehand. Okay, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But how about let's jump to the next part. I erased already this one. And let's go read again for your flip book. So I want you to check our flip book. It says here, I have a new van. That's his new van. Another one, I have a new, sorry, this one should be here, new vase. This is our vase. Okay, another one, I have a new violin. That's our V for violin. Another one. I have a new vest. You can wear a vest. And then the last one. I have a new vein. When you say vein, that's what you use, a tool to check where the air or the wind is coming from. Now, if you are done reading with me, you get to color the pictures in your flipbook and you will need it later for spelling out some of our V words. So how about since I am done with this one, I can move to the next page. But again, if you're not yet done, Pause the video, play it again once you are done. Please write your name in this page. We are now in the word match. And I want you to also trace for your V words here. So the first one, V-A-N. This is the van. You get to write a van. Another one, V-E, and the letter T, that is vet. The doctor treats the animals that are sick. He is called a vet. And then the last one, it is vex. We have the letters V, E, X, that is vex. Sound letter V. Okay, let's move the pictures, the ones that go in the right place. Sound. So we have the van. Let's space for van. We have the vet. And we also have the vex. Okay, next one. Let's write our words in the word match. So the first one is van. V-A, and the letter N, van. Another one, it's the vet. V, E, letter T, that is vet. And then the last one will be vex. V, E, and X. Try to remember where you need to write your lines. Follow the space for it. And then you take a leave after finishing this one, because I think it's time for us to do the next work. Let's go do our labeling for the V word. So you will use your booklet to write down the V words. I have the word vein, V-A-N and E. This is the vein. Another one, you have your van, V-A-N, that is the van. An instrument you can play, it's the violin, V-I-O-L, and the letter N. That's violin. Let me erase this one. Okay, so now that we have our erased letters in violin, so let's go back. Violin, L-I-N, that's violin. That's how you spell it. Next, let's go to vase, V-A-S, and the letter E, that is vase. And you have your vest, V-E-S, and the letter T, vest. So let's go back. If you already did this one, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. We have vein, van, vest, vase, and violin. Let's erase the writings on the screen. Okay, so for this one, let me fix this one, please. Learn to wait, please. Okay, let's jump to spelling out. So remember, we did this one a while ago in our screen work. The first one is van. V, A, and the letter N, van. So let's do the complete word. V, A, N. This is van. Okay, another one, you have vat. V, A, and the letter T, the vat. Let's spell it out again. V, A, and the letter T, the vat. Next one, let's do the word vet. V, E, and the letter T, vet. Again, the next one, V, E, and letter T. This one is your T, a line down and a line across. Now that we are done with our page for this one, let's go move to the next. Let's spell out for the vex. V, E, X. We have vex. Again, V, E. Oops, let me fix this one. I'm so sorry. V, E, X. It is vex. Next one, your vein. V, A, and there's N and E, vein. Again, V, A, N, and letter E. That's the word vein. Okay, next, your vine. V, I, your letter N, and the letter E. So again, the vine. V, I, N, and the letter E. So we have all those V words that he spelled out and wrote for. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll move to the next page. This time, instead of a page, it's going to be your booklet again for the picture scramble. So this is the last page for your big book. We're going to move on to our picture scramble. And you get to trace for the V here, capital V and the lowercase letter v. And please do not forget to write your name in the space provided. Let's go read for our V words. We have the van, vat, vet, vex, vein, and vine. So those are your V words for today. Let's erase it. I'll have to jump for the first page, okay? And this time, this is van. So how do we spell for van? Remember, you'll need your glue and your scissors to cut and paste for the puzzle. V, A, and the letter N, that's the van. You get to ride a van. So let's spell it out. V, A, N. This is van. So again, let's spell it out. V, A, and the letter N, van. So again, these are all small letters. V, A, N, the van. Again, V, A, N, the word van. So we have our van. Next one, let's erase. Let's go do another V word. And this time, I have the vat. So a big container. V, A, and the letter T. This is our vat. We get to put the water in a vat, in a big container. So let's spell out for the V word, vat. V, A, and the letter T, that's a vat. So again, V, A, and the letter T, vat. Let's go back. V, A, and the letter T, vat. Last one, V, A, and the letter T, vat. So we have our vat, a big container. Erase, erase, and I'll move on to the next word. My next word is the word vet. V, E, and the letter T, that is the vet. So let's trace V, E, letter T, that is vet. Again, V, E, and T, vet. We'll get to trace and write V, E, and letter T. Last one, V, E, and the letter T, that's the vet. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll get to move to the next page, and I am at the word vex. V, E, and X, that is vex. Somebody is yelling and you have to listen, but it's hard for you to listen because they're very loud. V, E, and X, that is vex. V, E, X. You have the vex. V, E, letter X, that's the vex. Another one, V, E, and letter X, vex. Let's erase the writings. Let's go to vein. Remember, the vein will move around. You have to check where the wind is coming from. V, A, N, and E for the word vein. Remember, sometimes letter E will not have the sound. It's a quiet E. But you have to write it down in the word vein. So let's spell it out. V, A, N, and the letter E, vein. Oops, let me fix this one. And then letter E. So again, V, A, N, and the letter E, vein. Again, V, A, N, and the letter E. Let's erase the V. This is not how we write it. There needs to be space. There, that's vein. Let's do it again. V, A, N, and the letter, oops, and the letter E here. Vein. Now, I'm going to move to the next page because the next page of our booklet is the word vine. So we have V, I, N, and E for the word vine. Let's trace V, I, N, and the letter E, vine. V, I, N, and the letter E again. V, oops, this one is too far. Has to go under the dotted line. Like here, V, I, N, E. Again, let's go back. V, I, N, and E, vine. Now, this one is the last page of our work. And if you're done with everything, with all of them, good job for you. But if you're not yet done, again, go back, answer, and you have to finish your work there. And I will see you again in our next class. I will end it here. Bye-bye.